Oh, I found a cat here. Oh, you're taking a sun bath, huh? I thought it's a cushion or something like that, but it's a cat. Hey, what are you doing? I don't know what is the meaning of that. I mean, whenever a dog does that, it means he's excited, but I don't understand the cat's language. Anyways, hello guys, what's happening? I hope you are doing fine because so am I. Actually, right now I am in Nainital if you don't already know. And this place you are looking at behind me is a cottage named the Oak Trails. We spent our entire night here. By we, I meant me and my friend. Actually, we were on a project to shoot a Kumauni wedding here, and it's done now. My project is completed, and now we are going to check out from this place because we are going to explore the Nainital city, which is why you guys are here, right? So let's go and explore. So this is the place we were staying at earlier, at the time when we were shooting the wedding. And before we move further, I thought let's just sit here and back up the data that is left. Now it's almost afternoon, and since we didn't had breakfast, we are hungry as hell. So time for the brunch. So we just made it to Nainital. I was expecting कि हम जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे, but we couldn't make it on time. रात हो चुकी है, so we are unable to explore much. So we reached a point here, bike on rent. We are going to rent a bike from here. This is a hotel actually, and they also provide bikes on rent. And here is the owner of this place doing nothing, and I am going to rent a bike from here because tomorrow we are going to explore the local area. So these are the bikes available here. We have bunch of bikes here, and we are going to pick one from these. And which one should I? This one? Or should it be this one? Oh, there's a red one too. This one, I think this one. I think I am going to pick the red one here, and taking this bike we are gonna explore the entire mall road. So to rent a bike here you need to fill this agreement along with a copy of your driving license and your ID. You also need to submit some security deposit which you are going to get back while returning the keys, and that's it. So we have keys now, and now we are going to take a ride over the mall road. Let's go. Right now we are in a market, and this market is called Bhotia Market. Actually we are looking for a place to eat momos, and unfortunately we couldn't find one, but Naman right here is searching. Naman, yeah. Bro, did you get anything?
Yeah, I got one
Yes.
place.
Yes.
Bro, do you have momos?
Momos hai?
Yeah.
Badhiya. Okay, so here we found a place where we are going to have momos. So let's go. So we didn't like the momos here. I mean, that's my personal opinion. If you want to check out, you can just check out. But नमन का कहना है कि मोमोज से भरोसा उठवा दिया इन्होंने आज. हेलमेट, अरे थैंक यू. आप मोमोज वाले ना? ओके ओके.
Thank you.
तो मोमोज का तो मैंने आपको बता दिया है.
But they are
But
good people.
they are good people. You know. गुड पीपल आर एवरीवेयर. उन्होंने हमारा हेलमेट रिटर्न कर दिया है. थैंक यू भैया. वी ऑल्सो हैव मोमोज हेयर एज यू कैन सी, बट हमें आइडिया नहीं है. एक बार खोल के दिखाना जरा कौन से वाले हैं.
ये है वेज,
ओहो शेप दूसरी है इनकी, और ये वाले टेस्टी होते हैं.
ये वेज, ये पनीर.
We have two kinds here. One is veg momos, another one is paneer, and paneer is also a veg. But yeah, we have two varieties here. We are having momos here. Actually, मेरे कैमरे की बैटरी अचानक से खत्म हो गई है, तो I am recording with a phone. And right now here we have momos. नमन कैसे है? ठीक है. Let's see. पकड़ने से तो लग रहा है कि उससे बेटर है. उससे बेटर है. So 5 out of 4 for this momos, and Naman will give 3.5. So from Naman's side 3.5. So the momos here is better than that shop. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ से मोमोज खा सकते हैं. ओके ओके ओके. शी इज़ द ओनर ऑफ द प्लेस. तो ये कह रही है इनकी शॉप का नाम है ठाकुर साहब. सो इन नैनीताल इफ यू आर कमिंग टू भोटिया मार्केट, सो यू कैन हैव मोमोज हियर. ओके, वंस अगेन ठाकुर साहब. आंटी जी से, आंटी जी वेलकम देन.
Welcome.
So we just ended up having 2 plates of momos, and this is a gurdwara. Now we are going to have our dinner. Where should we go? Let's find our restaurant.
रोना दिखाया, जीवन के पथ पर मीत मिलाए, जीवन के पथ पर मीत मिलाए.
And we checked into the same hotel since we were a bit tired, so we thought just take a little break, and it was a matter of just few minutes.
This pattern over the sleeve, I'm not liking this thing, so I'm not gonna purchase this. So right now me and Naman are jogging here because यहाँ पे ठंड अच्छी खासी है और हमारे पास टाइम भी नहीं है, so we thought it's better to jog than walk because उससे ठंड भी नहीं लगेगी और मज़ा भी आ रहा है और एक्सप्लोर भी जल्दी कर लेंगे थोड़ा. So Naman is looking for a thing to purchase for his girlfriend, I think.
ये देखिए सब लोकल आइटम है, सबसे ज़्यादा यहीं बनता है. यहाँ का ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यहीं होता है.
अच्छा.
और ये कम से कम 60-70 साल हो गए इस चीज़ को यहाँ बनते हैं. ये सब नेचुरल फ्लावर है, हैंड वर्क का. ये सब ये चीज़ बने हुए, ये सब गेंदे का फूल इस पे प्रेस कर रखा है.
और ये क्या चीज़ है अंकल? इसी का छोटा वर्जन?
ये इसी का छोटा है. और अलग अलग इसमें सब परफ्यूम.
अच्छा, तो जो चीज़ इस पर लिखी है ये उसकी फ्रेगनेंस देगा.
हाँ,
वो वाला that one. So this thing over here reminds me of something, but anyways we must go ahead. So we are back at the Mall Road and we are having momos once again. I don't know how this thing is going to taste, but we are trying. Yeah. Let's see. Nice. In Nainital, actually we were in the search of best momos, so we ended up having momos at 2 different places, but the momos here, I mean at the streets, are best. And if you are coming to Mall Road once again, you can try momos here at the library. This is the library of Nainital, and here right at the front of the library you can have momos. So somewhere around the library, here's a shop, here's a game parlor over here, and here's a shop. Okay. So at the end, Naman ended up purchasing this Buddha from here. This is stuff right here.
दिखाना एक बार इसे और दिखाना ये भी सेम रेट है ना वो अलग है सर थोड़ा सा वेट भारी होगा
वो करेगा ना बड़ा जाएगा अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसी बात नहीं
चलो यही ले लो
Now at the end, here we are guys. So once again guys, we couldn't explore much because we didn't have time, but still हमने कुछ चीजें explore कर ली हैं as you've already seen. But tomorrow we are going to explore a lot of things that you are going to see in the next episode. If you are new, you can check out my previous episodes, and to see my coming ones you can subscribe. Now thanks for watching. This was Harsh Gupta and I will see you in the next one.